Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the fun project I'm doing. It's a black and white in color. So I'm using mixed media paper and then I'm using this stamp, um, which is like a uh, which is very easily available, and I'm using archival ink. I'm going to list all these in the description box below. Then I'm going to add a different stamp from the same package. It's a very easy project, not very difficult to do it. Then I'm going to add some text kind of a stamp. This has different varieties of stamps in this, so I'm picking out from that and adding in this project. So if I cannot find some of these project, I will not list it in the description box, but I will try and look and see where I can find it. These are mostly like a mini stamps, so which has all the text and a small picture on that. Then I'm going to keep adding like that and um, use those in different areas. Now I'm going to see if I can add more. Um, then I'm going to add this stamp, which has a longer kind of a stamp. So I'm looking for those kind of stamps with the text on it. Then I used some of these kind of like a sticker. Um, these are also like very nice text kind of a stamp. And now I'm going to add some of these elements. Whatever I had left over in my other from my other project, I'm using all those in here. And some of them are like ephemeras. And I did not use any color in this project, so no coloring at all in this, all with the stamps and ephemeras. I'm adding some butterfly ephemera, and you can see that all of those are black and white, and except my focal point has little bit of color. I thought that will be interesting in the background. Then I'm going to use black paint and splatter on the top. Then I'm going to add this coat, and then I'm going to finish the project. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next project. Bye.